In this short video, we'll highlight key features for valve and equipment module. This essential module is part of PANR-AMS and a one-stop shop for projects to retrieve valve and equipment's critical decision-making information. How does it work? Once the project scope, optional data sources, and asset suite tables are connected to PANR-AMS, PANR-AMS creates a separate module for valve and equipment. Module has a very intuitive user interface with the filter, data list, and data detail section. With filter, create, save, and forward unlimited filters and share with colleagues. Rest assured, no critical decision-making information will be missed. With data list, complete project valve and equipment scope with related information in a spreadsheet view with an Excel-like functionality. With data details, view one-to-many details of the selected valve or equipment. This intuitive interface allows users to get complete valve and equipment information on a single screen. Supporting information for a valve and equipment is placed in the same row as concatenated text and complete details available below in the data details screen. To implement business intelligence, the valve and equipment module has an intuitive filter, data list, and data details user interface. The filter section gives users the ability to search for valve and equipment information within milliseconds. The filter works on multiple data types and combinations, providing access to critical decision-making information. A single line item in the data list section provides complete set of information for a valve or equipment, such as status, category, type of equipment, the various milestones where work is scheduled for the equipment, whether this equipment is EQ related, complete set of work orders for the equipment, active holds, materials, crew working the equipment, the total material cost for the project, the earliest date to work this equipment, the last date scheduled to work the equipment, T based on early start, have all work orders for this equipment scheduled, have all work orders been completed, how many user or department actions on this equipment, the labor cost for the equipment, physical location of the equipment. For each selected equipment in the data list section, the data details section shows relationship details with the equipment, such as tasks, materials, and holds. To implement work management, users are able to place action or comment on a single valve or equipment. The action or comment can then be further grouped by department, individuals, and even further grouped by line of business such as electrical, mechanical, etc. This approach makes sure bottlenecks come to surface quickly and challenges are addressed promptly before equipment work reaches critical path. Place attachments on single valve and equipment grouped by test, deliverables, settings, etc. Use WBS-structured, interactive solve chats on valve and equipment. This approach groups issues into categories and reduces dependencies on email communication to solve problems. Once the project completes, it's paramount that we learn from our mistakes, and this is where lessons learned comes in. Valve and equipment lessons learned are integrated within the module and are automatically built from actual challenges during project execution. In summary, from a single valve and equipment module, for optimum visibility, retrieve complete project scope for valve and equipment. Retrieve complete equipment relationship information from a single record. Highlight valve and equipment issues instantly. Increase communication with peers and vendors. Align all stakeholders. For work management, equipment-driven action. Comment on individuals and departments. Direct attachment placement on equipment. Work with interactive solve chats amongst peers and avoid email clutter. Automatically create lessons learned from actual OPEX. Single-click filters to retrieve critical decision-making information. For bells and whistles, export filtered information to Excel with a single click. Multi-monitor support for enhanced user experience. Integrated pivots for ultimate analysis. Excel-like superior column manipulation. Sharing of filters and pivot structures with colleagues, and integrated user experience to request changes, report bugs, or make comments. For valuable valve and equipment work management and business intelligence for projects, operations, and outages, please reach us at contact@infotrack.ca for further information or scheduling a valve and equipment module demo. For further information regarding valve and equipment module or any of our other products, please visit us at www.infotrack.ca. Thanks for watching and good luck!